Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello everyone. Uh, I am Abdul Hanan and I am an English Education Department student. Here, I would like to make a video about tenses, and here I would like to explain one of the tenses uh, exactly simple present. Simple present Simple present is for expressing habitual action and general truth. And then the formula from the form from simple present for positive sentence is subject and verb subject and verb one or verb s or verb es plus object. And then for negative sentence, subject plus do or does and not plus verb one and object. And for interrogative sentence, uh, do or does plus subject plus verb one plus object and question mark. And simple present, you know, simple present has uh, adverb of frequency, and the adverb of frequency in the simple present is always, often, seldom, usually, and others. And and then simple present has a time signal, like every day, every year, every month, or every and others. And then next to the example, simple present simple present it's for expressing your habitual action. Uh, if you want to express your habitual action, like in every day, what do you do? What do you do in every day? For example, you always read a book, or always watch a video, or yeah, help your parent and others. For example, for the positive sentence, remember the form uh, subject plus verb one or verb s or es and object, and yes, an object. And to uh, what is the difference? Wh- when will we use verb one and verb sts? Nah, uh, the difference, it's it's it depends on the subject. The verb one for subject, I, you, we, they, and and plural noun. For verb s or es, uh, it for subject, she, he, it, and singular noun. For example, uh, I always go to the market every morning. Because the subject is I, so the verb is verb one. I always go to the market every morning. For verb s, like she, he, it, or singular noun, like mother. Your mother always cooks in the kitchen every morning. For the verb s. because your mother is a singular noun, so you use verb plus s. Your mother always cooks in the kitchen every morning. Yeah, like that. And then uh, the first habitual action and the second general truth. General truth, for example, for example, the fire is hot. The fire is hot. It's Yeah, the fire is hot. Okay, next. The form subject plus verb one or verb ses and object is for positive sentence. And then for the negative sentence, subject plus do or does and verb one and object. For example, for the positive, I always go to the market every morning. For the negative sentence, you can add do or does after after the subject. Nah, do or does do do for subject I you we they and plural noun, does for uh, she he it and singular noun. Because I is I you, because the subject is I, so we use do after the subject for the negative sentence. For example, I don't I do not or I don't go to market every morning. Nah, does is for subject she he it and singular noun. For example, my mother, because my mother is singular noun. For the negative sentence, uh, for the negative sentence you use does after the subject. My mother does not my mother does not cook in the kitchen every morning, like that. And then for the interrogative, for the interrogative, the form do or does plus subject plus verb one. And do or does, it seems in the negative, or yeah, in the negative sentence. For the positive sentence, I go to the market every morning. And for interrogative, do I go to market every morning, like that. And then for nominal, the form for nominal sentence, subject plus is or am or are and ana. And then the negative sentence, subject is or am or are plus not and ana. And the negative sentence is or am or are plus subject plus ana and question mark. Nah, is am are is for she he it and singular noun, and am for I and are for we they and plural noun. You, we, they, and plural noun. For example, mm, I am a student, and you are a student, and she is a student, like that. Okay, I think enough for the explanation about simple present. Thank you, thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.